Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's solve the problem intersection of two linked lists. So given a two linked lists had node, and if they are intersecting, then we have to return the intersecting node. So here in this two lists, this is the intersecting node and we have to return C1 as in the result. And if there is no intersection, then we just need to return the null. So how we will solve this problem? So first solution we will do like naively, just start one of the lists, like first list, iterating one by one for each node and try all other for first node. Run the second list starting from here and look for if this node is equal and keep going until the end of the list. Then select second node and compare, start from again the head of the B list and compare. No, then once you reach here while processing list A at C1 node, then we start again from here. In the third step, this like third round, we will find that C1 and this C1 which is we are started for A is same. So we will return this node as soon as we find. So this is the one approach. Here if let's say the list length of A is n and list length of B has m nodes, then the time complexity in worst case what will happen, there will be no intersection. So in that case, for each node in the list A n node, we have to look every time m node. So the time complexity of this solution will be O of n into m, and the space complexity, as we are not using any space, which will be O of 1. So the space complexity will be O of 1. So this is one solution, but the test case may be very bigger and we may get timeout for this approach, or if you are in interviewer must ask you to optimize this solution. So how we will optimize this solution? So the another approach what we can do, we will use a hashset and it store all the nodes of our one list like list A when we processing into the hashset. So when we add all the node like A1, A2, C1, C2 and C3. So first we will iterate through list A and add all the node in hashset. In second step we start iterating the list V, and one by one for each node we will check if it is already present in the hashset or not. As soon as we find that, we will return that node is a intersecting node. So for B1 we will not get in hashset, similarly B2 not in the hashset and B3 is not. As soon as we reach on C1, C1 will be in the hashset. So we will return C1 is the intersecting nodes. So now what will be the time complexity of this solution? So the time complexity of this solution will be O of n plus m, and the space complexity is also O of max of m or n, whichever, like max or min. So inverse is average is you can say anything like O of n, so which is linear. So this is the another solution which runs in linear time and linear space. But is it possible to optimize further like in linear time without extra space? How can we solve? So let's think about the third solution. So in third solution what we can do, first of all we will find the length of the list. So the length of the list, so this list A1 then A2. So if we find the length of list A which we have 5 nodes and length of list B which have the 6 node. So what we can do, whichever is maximum we will update the pointer of that list that many steps. So 6 is greater than 5, so we will update the head pointer of list B. Once the length remaining, let's say this is n and this is small m, so we will run either whatever is greater. If n greater than m, we will update the head pointer of A, and if m greater than n, we will update the head pointer of B. Once it is equal, then after that we will start one by one the node from here. We will compare as well, like if A1 equals to B2, no, A2 equals to B3, no. But what the pointer, as soon as we reach on C1, for A also we will reach on C1 and we will also reach on C1. So C1 is the first intersecting node of our two lists, so we will return C1. So now the time complexity of this solution will be O of n plus m, and the space complexity is O of 1. So this is the solution which is in linear time and constant space. So you can pause the video and try to code all the approaches which I have explained so far. but let's understand another good solution which will also run in O of n time and O1 space. So let's how. What we will do, we will start another like a pointer PA and PB from the both the heads. We will continue move one by one for all the pointers until this PA not equals to PB, the node PA not equals to PB. So we will keep moving it, and when we found that any of that PA or PB reach to the null, if PA reach to the null first, then we initialize from PB for PA, and the for PB not PB from the head of B, the head node of the list B. Similarly for PB we will check if it reaches to null first, then we assign head of A. Why we are doing so? With that we are running total node like n plus m for both the pointer. So if these two lists is intersecting to each other, they must at any point at any node we will find in this loop. So that as soon as we break this while loop condition, we will return the intersecting nodes. So let's implement the code. So for the coding part, we will initialize two list node like list node PA from head A and PB from head B, head of node B. Now we will run this until PA not equals to PB, and also update the node if PA is equals to like if PA equals to null, then assign head of B, otherwise PA dot next. And similarly for second list we will update PV if PV is null, and in that case we assign the head of A, so that we will go through all the total nodes of A, list A plus list B. So this will be this, and in the end we just return whatever value into the PA or PB, and both is same. So let's compile this code. So this got compiled and we got the intersecting node. Let's submit this code. So it got accepted. The time complexity and space complexity of this code is if length of what the list n and m, so it will be O of n plus m. This is the time complexity, and the space complexity is O of 1. So you can try the code, the other three approaches I explained. If you have any doubt in them, you can ask in comment section, and if you like the solution, hit the like button.